तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैट 2023 जो 26 ऑफ नवंबर 2023 को शेड्यूल था, उसका डिटेल एनालिसिस करते हैं। 3 स्लॉट में ये एग्जाम हुआ था। अगर हम ओवरऑल एनालिसिस करें इसका स्लॉट वाइज, स्कोर वर्सेस परसेंटाइल एंड आल्सो द एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ फॉर वेरियस टॉप बी स्कूल्स दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट। सो लेट्स गो वन बाय वन। सो अगर मैं ओवरऑल इसके एनालिसिस की बात करता हूं तो नंबर वन, there was no surprise element as far as the paper pattern is concerned. Paper pattern was intact as compared to CAT 21 and 22. That means there were 66 questions in all, 24 questions from VARC, 22 questions from quantitative, and 20 questions from LRDI. But the very important point to be noticed here is that the difficulty level of all the three sections in all the three slots were more than that of CAT 2022. ये paper difficult है as far as all the three slots and all the three sections are concerned. Now, if I talk about CAT 2023 के 3 slots, that means slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 को अगर मैं compare करता हूँ तो slot 3 was the most difficult one as compared to the remaining 2 slots. The easiest of the slot was slot 1, which was from 8:30 to 10:30. Slot 2 was of moderate difficulty level, as compared to slot 1, which was from 12:30 to 2:30, and the most difficult one was from the slot 3, which was from 4:30 to 6:30. The LRDI sets in all the three slots were of higher difficulty level. That means दो section ढूंढना was a difficult task. अगर आपको दो section moderate difficulty level के मिल जाते हैं और आप वो करते हो सही से, तो in all probability you will be able to clear the cutoffs and you will be able to score good percentile in this section. That means अगर आप 4 sections में से 2 section, selection of a section was very difficult, was very crucial in fact. अगर 4 में से वो 2 सेट जो वर ऑफ मॉडरेट डिफिकल्टी लेवल या जो आप डुएबल्स थे, अगर आप वो ढूंढ के वही करते तो आप 10 क्वेश्चन कर लेते। 10 क्वेश्चन में इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर एक दो गलत भी हो जाएंगे तब भी आपका ओवरऑल स्कोर आता 24 से 27 के बीच में, विच इज अ डिसेंट स्कोर फॉर यू टू गेट अ परसेंटाइल ऑफ 99 प्लस इन LRDI सेट। और उससे ऊपर के लिए तो प्रोबेबली आपको 12-15 क्वेश्चन करने पड़ेंगे। दैट मीन्स 3 सेट्स. So that was the scenario in LRDI section. VARC was the easiest. I'm not saying it's easy. It was easiest of all the 3 sections. 4 RC sets में से 2 RC was doables. As far as the verbal ability section is concerned, there were 8 questions, 2 from para jumbles, 2 para completion, and 2 odd one out. Doables थे. That means in 8 में से आप 5 से 6 कर सकते थे, provided you have good practice of doing questions from verbal ability section. Now, if talking about quantitative aptitude section, which was also not easy, it was from moderate to difficult side. There were only couple of questions, that means 4 to 5 questions, which can be considered as sitters or they were doables. Others were offered moderate to higher difficulty level. Conceptual clarity अगर नहीं है तो आप बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पाओगे. A decent attempt would have been 12 to 15 with a higher percentile in this section in quantitative aptitude. Overall cutoffs will be dipping down this year. For a 99 percentile, probably in case the range of score would be approximately 82 to 85. मतलब 99 percentile के लिए आपको अगर आपका score 82 to 85 आ रहा है तो in all probability you'll end up getting 99 plus percentile. Now talking about the score versus percentile in slot 1, which was from 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. For a 99.9 percentile, the overall score अगर आपका 110 आ रहा है out of 998, you will end up getting 99.9 plus percentile. And the section wise is also given. VARC 50, LRDI 38. 38 का मतलब यही हो गया कि आपने 13 क्वेश्चन किए हैं out of 20. Quantitative aptitude 48, मतलब अगर आपका attempt और आपका एक्यूरेसी अच्छा है तो मे बी 18 क्वेश्चन करते हो अगर 22 में से विद हाई परसेंटाइल, हाई एक्यूरेसी, यू विल एंड अप गेटिंग 48. सिमिलरली 99.5 के लिए द ओवरऑल स्कोर शुड बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 99 टू 100 के बीच में. 99 के लिए इन दिस स्लॉट, दो फॉर द अदर स्लॉट्स for 99 plus percentile, the overall score was wavering between 80 to 85, but for slot 1, which was on a easier one, it will be wavering from 85 to 91. For 98, probably this expected score is 81. For 95 percentile, it's 70. For 90, it's 53. 85 के लिए, 85 percentile के लिए it's 48, and 80 के लिए it's 44. So this is as far as the slot 1 is concerned. Now moving on to slot 2, which was difficult, which was more difficult as compared to slot 1. For a 99.9 percentile, the overall score which is expected is approximately 108 out of 198. For 99.5, it's wavering around 90 to 95. For 99, it's, as I said earlier, also it will be around 84 to 85. For 98, it's 75. For 95, it's 64. That means अगर आपका 64 marks आ रहे हैं तो आपके 95 percentile आ जाएंगे, which is a very high percentile. For 90 percentile, the overall score that is expected is 50, and so on and so forth. Let's talk about slot 3. This was the most difficult out of the 3 slots. So in case you are able to get 104 score overall, then you end up getting a 99.9 percentile in this slot. The section wise would be close to 46 in VARC, 36 in LRDI. 36 का मतलब ये है कि 12 क्वेश्चन LRDI के सेट, मतलब 2.5 सेट अगर आपने कर लिए सही से, and you have a high accuracy, then you can very easily get 99.9 percentile in LRDI set. Quantitative aptitude, 46 marks required for getting 99.9 percentile. In this slot, probably for getting 99 percentile again, the overall score required would be 80 to 85. For 95, you will be required to have 60 plus marks. And for a 80 percentile, the marks required would be not more than 35 to 40. That means अगर आपने 14 questions correctly kiye and probably you don't have much negative marks with you, you will end up getting 80 percentile, which is also a decent percentile. And in case you have any of the quotas at 80 percentile also, you will end up getting some of the new baby IMs. So this is the overall scenario as far as the CAT 23 is concerned. Another 3-4 days time, the CAT body will be able to release the scores on their website, which is imcat.ac.in. So just wait for 2-3 days and probably you will be able to get the real scenarios. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका 80 plus percentile आ रहा है, so it's high time that you start preparing for your GDPI. That means your interview rounds and VAT rounds. Don't waste time, and also start preparing for the other MBA entrance examination. Let it be ZAT, Narsi Monji, sorry, Symbiosis and other examination. So that's it, and all the best. And I'm sure that in case you're getting these kind of percentiles, you will be able to get some good colleges as well. Thank you, and thanks for watching.